Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tay. As you can see by the title, this is my very first jewelry haul and it includes items from Mejuri. Let's get into this video. So I have two items. I'm already wearing them and they were showing at the start of the video. Now these two items are the start of my jewelry collection. I couldn't afford to buy 100% solid gold just yet, so I decided to start with gold vermil, which, if you don't know, that's basically gold over sterling silver, and it lasts longer than gold plated or gold over brass. So these earrings that I bought them. This is the medium croissant earrings. Like I said, it's gold vermil, and the price for it was $78, and after taxes and shipping it came up to about $98. Also, this is my new favorite piece of jewelry. It's just this very simple necklace. It has a very dainty pearl. This in total came up to $100 and maybe $4. I'll have the link down below and also the screenshot to show you the exact cost. Now let's get into the details and tarnishing of this jewelry so far. So, complaints: when I got this necklace, I had to literally rip it open using a knife and a scissors because they sewed in the entire necklace into the packaging. I don't know if that was a mistake, but that pissed me off, and that's why I did not do an unboxing for this necklace. Instead, I just showed it on my palm. Mejuri, please do better. I almost broke the necklace as well because it's so delicate. Now, I saw the jewelry being worn by a lot of people that I follow, that I consider to be trusted influencers, like Octavia B, but her pieces were mostly solid gold, and I also saw random pieces from other influencers here and there that I trusted. So far I've had this for less than a week. I sleep with it, I wear it to bathe, wash my face. This ear is already a bit itchy, but this one is fine. Maybe I just need to clean it, I don't know. As far as it goes for my pearl necklace, right now it has faded a little bit. I sleep in it, bathe in it, wash my face, but there is no like real tarnishing. It's just not as shiny as it was from the jump. Maybe I'm gonna have to clean it soon. Reason being for not buying the solid gold, as I explained, is because I couldn't afford to do so at the time. I couldn't afford to spend $600, $500 on gold right now when I'm trying to get my own apartment in a few. And so I decided what I was gonna do for my everyday jewelry collection is I've decided to buy solid gold bracelets because those have worked out to be cheaper. So those are supposed to come soon in the mail. Once that comes, I'll do a part 2 video, and I'm gonna buy solid gold rings. So instead of always swapping out my jewelry with all this sterling or just gold plated, I just feel better knowing that I can just get up in the morning with my jewelry on, bathe, wash my face, fix my makeup and go, and I still look put together. I don't like having to think, oh, I gotta take it off, it's gonna change. So I'm gonna see how long this will last. Most times after the shower, I'll take my towel and just do this to ensure that it's dried. Water doesn't touch the earrings at all, so I think this will last me longer than the necklace. If this does change in a few months, then I'll go ahead to just cash out on a real gold chain. So far, compliments wise, I've gotten lots of compliments on these earrings. Get a little bit closer. And on my necklace. I had seen a friend of mine with similar earrings, even though hers is actually solid gold, and I was searching everywhere for it until I saw it on Octavia B, and I was like, bingo, found the earrings. Like I said, I couldn't afford to spend that much money on the solid gold ones, so I decided to get this one. If you're trying to start your gold jewelry collection for your everyday wear, for starting, Mejuri is a good place. You can try. I'll link other places down below in the description box that you can try to get your quality pieces. Don't be like me. Take your necklace off if you know that you bought gold vermil. It will tarnish after a while. But for me, this is just a trial, so I don't really care if that $100 goes on the drain in like a year or a year and a half. I'll have the money by that time to buy me an actual gold necklace to match with the rings and the bracelets. So if you have any places that are affordable for me to buy a gold jewelry that are dainty and just very timeless and classy, comment down below. If you're new to my channel, like, explore my channel. If you like what you see, subscribe and share. Until next time, guys, I'm John Tay, Faces of Tay. Goodbye.